Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a little bit, but had a video almost set up for you, and then I come back to my project and the dogs got into it, so this is the second reshoot. The purpose of today's video is I've been thinking a lot about what's been going on, and I kind of want to get away from reliance on other people for my things. So I figured growing like small amount of plants, like it's a good basis to get into like a rhythm of more self-reliance and more individualistic lifestyle, which I want to get into more. But so we'll jump right into this. I'll show you what I'm doing, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so we got all our materials here. We have a tin pan with a plastic cover, just regular old topsoil. Then we got all different bunch of seeds that I bought online from a wholesale distributor. And then I'm also going to be adding into our topsoil mixture, I have some potash from some recent fires that we had. So we'll get going. What I did in the other two that I've already started before this one, I was using what was it, the cardboard egg containers, and they worked pretty well up until my friend's dog started eating it, so I'll show you that later. So I ran out of the egg cartons, so we're just gonna do a base layer of topsoil, throw our seeds, and we'll kind of diagram it out, and then we'll throw on another layer of topsoil. Gotta love living near an airport. These things are so freaking loud. Okay, that should be a good amount to start with. Of course, it's everywhere. Okay, so we're not going to throw all these into this one container, but I am going to pick what I like the most, and we'll go with radish, tomato, cucumber. Let's see what else we got. We'll do bell peppers, and yeah, why not? Texas onion. You know what? Let's pick one more. Screw it, let's go carrot. Why not? So I'm kind of a Neanderthal when it comes to gardening, so I'm just gonna, I don't know how many seeds go in, but I guess we'll do like pinches. See what happens. So we got our bell peppers. Next up, we got radish. Wow, these are a lot different than the other ones. I don't know if you can see, but it's almost like, come on, focus. There we go. It's almost like a fine grain, almost. So that's the carrots. Texas grano onions. And finally, we're gonna go Rutgers tomatoes. Okay, I got my mixture of potash right here. We're just gonna sprinkle that across. We'll finish it off with some topsoil. Okay, so here's the one that we just did, and I started these ones, I could say like maybe a week and a half ago. And originally, as you can tell here, I was using the egg cartons, and then they kind of got eaten. So I don't really know what's what right now, but I guess we'll figure that out once they start getting a little bit bigger. So this is actually on the south-facing wall, so this room gets the most sun, so these things are gonna grow pretty quickly. So I hope you liked that video. Let me know in the comments, because I clearly don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to this, but got you guys, so let me know if tips or tricks. The whole thing is I don't want it to be an expensive ordeal. I want to kind of use it like the stuff you have around to get it going. And then on the next video, we'll be building a raised garden bed, because my biggest enemy right now is not rabbits or deer, it's my buddy's dogs. So I'll see you guys on the next one.